What's up?
Hi. I don't know what to say. Hi, this is my puppy. Bye.
Yeah. See you.
Hola. This is Lila.
Young, so we open our ears, you know. Chilling out with the whole family, you know. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes in. Yes, sir, Dada. Alright, Tatiana.
This is Rose.
What?
Rose. It smells like roses.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one they call him Bull Rush.
Oh, sorry,
Oh, the camera's still rolling?
Oh, wait, watch your mouth.
One.
I just gonna say something in our video.
No. It's Merry Christmas, you guys. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Lila says Merry Christmas.
What's your dog name?
Rose. Mine's Rose. I
So
know.
what's your dog name?
Ariana.
What? Yeah.
Yeah, you got puppy on nice name, Ariana. Nice name.
Lila is original.
And what's DJ dog name?
Jaden.
And what's yeah. Move the dog.
Brittany.
Her name is Brittany.
Yeah.
Not
More like Britney Spears. And Kyla's is Rebecca. Their last name is Winfield. Hey, I'm a little girl. Their last name is Winfield. Hey. Their last name is
Back up.
half of winter and
Back up.
Oh, it's a fit Talia dog face, so.
She was drinking. Leave her alone. She was drinking. Leave her alone.
Turn his head.
Your cousin, Remy. Come on.
Don't put it next to your face.
Yay, does the puppy have cousins?
Are you real mom girl? Let me know.
Look here.
I just they want to know you go.
Say bye.
Say bye. Bye bye. Alright,